English Leap podcast from Speak English with Miss Nova.
Miss Nova, quick question. Have you ever known all the grammar, all the words, but still froze up when it was time to speak?
Every single day of my life. It's like your brain has the answer, but your mouth didn't get the memo.
That's confidence, or the lack of it. And today, that's exactly what we're talking about.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Miss Nova.
I'm Zane.
And I'm Miss Nova. Today's topic, how to build real confidence in English.
Not fake confidence. Not pretend you know everything confidence. Real confidence.
And we're also talking about a powerful technique called shadowing. If you've never heard of it, don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to use it.
Before we start, if this episode helps you, hit like and subscribe. It really keeps us going.
Let's start here. Why does confidence feel so difficult in English?
Because we think confidence means perfect grammar.
Exactly. So many learners believe, I'll speak once I'm perfect. But that day never comes.
It's like waiting to feel completely ready before jumping into a pool. You'll just stand there shivering forever.
Great image. And here's the truth. Confidence isn't the absence of mistakes.
It's the willingness to keep talking after one.
Say that again. That was good.
Confidence is the willingness to keep talking after a mistake.
I might steal that line.
Please do.
So, the basic sentence a lot of learners say is, I'm scared to speak.
Honest, but it keeps you stuck.
A stronger mindset. I'm allowed to make mistakes while I improve.
That one sentence changes everything. It takes the pressure off.
Because pressure is confidence's biggest enemy.
Bigger than grammar mistakes, honestly.
Okay, let's talk about shadowing. Zane, explain it simply.
Shadowing means listening to someone speak and repeating right after them, almost like their shadow.
So you're not translating. You're not thinking. You're just copying the sound.
Exactly. The rhythm, the pauses, the little ups and downs in their voice.
Why does this actually work?
Because your mouth learns patterns your brain hasn't fully understood yet.
That's such a good point. It's like learning a dance by copying the steps first, before you understand the music theory behind it.
Right. You don't need to know why the rhythm works. You just feel it, and your body remembers.
Let's demonstrate. I'll say a sentence. And Zane, you shadow me immediately.
Ready.
I really think we should leave a little earlier tomorrow.
I really think we should leave a little earlier tomorrow.
Nice. Did that feel natural?
Actually, yeah. I wasn't thinking about grammar at all. I was just following the sound.
That's the whole magic of shadowing. Your brain relaxes because it's not translating.
It's just copying, like a mirror.
And here's a tip for our listeners. Start with short sentences. 6, 7 words. Then slowly build up.
Also, don't shadow silently in your head. Say it out loud, even quietly.
Your mouth needs the practice, not just your brain.
Think of it like a gym for your tongue.
A very small, very wet gym.
Wow, thank you for that image.
Now let's talk about deep conversation practice. This is different from small talk.
Small talk is, how's the weather? Deep conversation is real thoughts, real opinions.
And that's scary for a lot of learners because deep topics need more vocabulary.
True, but here's the secret. You don't need fancy words. You need honest words.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Instead of saying, I feel happy, which is fine but basic, try, honestly, this makes me feel really at peace.
That's such a small change, but it feels so much more real.
Because deep conversation isn't about big words. It's about specific feelings.
Let's practice a deep question together. Zane, what does confidence mean to you personally?
Honestly, to me, confidence means speaking, even when my voice shakes a little.
I love that answer.
Your turn. What does confidence mean to you?
For me, confidence means finishing my sentence instead of stopping halfway through.
See, neither answer was complicated, just honest.
And that's the real goal of deep conversation practice. Not perfect words, real ones.
A great daily habit is asking yourself one deep question every day and answering out loud in English.
Even alone in your room.
Especially alone in your room.
No judgment there, just you and your reflection in the mirror.
And maybe your cat, silently judging your grammar.
Let's talk about fear for a second. Because confidence and fear are always connected.
Most learners feel fear as, what if I sound stupid?
That thought alone can freeze your whole sentence.
So here's a trick. Replace fear with curiosity.
How does that work exactly?
Instead of thinking, what if I make a mistake? Think, I wonder what mistake I'll make today.
That's such a subtle shift, but it removes the shame completely.
Exactly. Curiosity has no judgment attached to it.
Let's role play this. Imagine you're about to order coffee in English, and you're nervous.
Okay, nervous version. Can I, get a coffee? Maybe medium size?
That's honestly very normal and totally understandable.
Now the curious version. I'd like a medium coffee, please. And if I say something wrong, that's fine too.
That last sentence is powerful. You gave yourself permission in advance.
Exactly. Confidence isn't about avoiding mistakes. It's about pre-forgiving yourself for them.
Pre-forgiving. I really like that word.
I just made it up, but it works.
Let's keep it. Pre-forgiving yourself is now officially a thing.
So, how can our listeners build this into their daily life?
3 simple steps. First, shadow one short video daily, just 2 or 3 minutes.
Second,
Answer one deep question out loud, even to yourself.
And third,
Speak before you feel ready, every single time.
that last one is the hardest, but the most important.
Because waiting for confidence to arrive first is backwards.
Confidence comes after speaking, not before.
Say that again, please.
Confidence comes after speaking, not before.
That deserves to be on a poster somewhere.
Right next to your ideas deserve good sentences.
Our wall of wisdom is really growing.
Let's slow down and review today's useful words.
First, shadowing. Repeating right after someone speaks, copying their rhythm and sound.
I practice shadowing every morning for 5 minutes.
Next, honest. Real and true, not fancy or forced. I want to give an honest answer, not a perfect one.
Third, curiosity. A gentle interest without judgment. I try to replace fear with curiosity.
Fourth, pre-forgiving. Giving yourself permission for mistakes before they happen. I'm pre-forgiving myself before this conversation.
And finally, at peace. A deep, calm kind of happiness. This conversation makes me feel at peace.
5 words: shadowing, honest, curiosity, pre-forgiving, at peace.
So today we learned that real confidence isn't about perfect English.
It's about speaking anyway, even with shaky sentences.
Shadowing trains your mouth. Deep conversation trains your honesty. And curiosity replaces your fear.
Put those 3 together, and confidence builds itself, slowly, every single day.
If this episode helped you, like, subscribe, and try shadowing just one short video today.
Then answer one deep question, out loud, in the comments if you're brave.
This is Ms. Nova.
And this is Zane.
You've been listening to Speak English with Ms. Nova. Speak boldly, mistakes and all. Bye, everyone. Take care.